Hello, thank you for taking a few minutes of your time to learn about By the Yard maintenance-free outdoor furniture and why we are the premier manufacturer in the senior living community. For 25 years, it has been our goal to enrich the life of staff and residents at each community. Being the manufacturer, it has also allowed us to make products specific to your industry. For those of you who aren't familiar with By the Yard, our furniture is all made from recycled milk jugs, or better known as high-density polyethylene. By making our furniture from recycled milk jugs, that allows you to leave it outside 365 days a year. That's any climate, from the frozen tundra to the heat of the desert. As you browse our catalog, and as I walk around here today, you will see that we offer over 380 different products in colors, designs, and all different specifications to fit your needs. We also offer 9 UV stabilized colors that can be used in combination with each other or solid. At By the Yard, it is of the utmost importance that your staff and residents have the most comfort and safety possible. And that's why at By the Yard, we router every edge. This will prevent any skin tears, abrasions, or any other options that may snag on the table. We also even do that on our chairs. We have countersunk screws to prevent any catching, and again, routed and smooth edges on all of the chairs. We've ergonomically designed our seat for even weight distribution, making it comfortable for all heights, shapes, and sizes. What you're going to see Justine demonstrate here is not only the comfort, but the safety of our chairs and the ease of getting out by pushing off with both our easy grip arms. Next, what you're going to see Justine show is maybe a resident that doesn't have the best stability. She can fall into that chair and you'll know that you have the peace of mind that that chair is not going to tip over or even move in the slightest. Next, someone with maybe a little bit of limited mobility needs to use all their weight to use that arm of that chair to get out of. With the world we live in now, sanitizing and cleaning is more important than ever. With our material being non-porous, we'll make your life easy. You can even use a bleach or any non-abrasive cleaner to sanitize everything. Another item we offer here is this Tay-to-Tay set. This is becoming more and more popular in the senior living community because of the spacing we need. This allows residents to have a place to set their coffee and distance each other from themselves at the same time. The next point, and one of our main points I like to hit on, is our 8 different back designs we have to choose from. This is our Days End chair and one of our most popular designs, but feel free to browse our catalog or search online for the other designs to fit your decor and even your residents' needs. Here at By the Yard, we take a lot of pride in our variety of tables we offer. We offer everything from a 28-inch table for 2 all the way up to a 10-foot table that'll seat 8 people, and everything in between. We also give you the ability to even add an umbrella by getting a table with or without a hole. And if you really want to add that luxurious experience for your residents, don't forget about our fire tables. They are growing in popularity every day. As you begin browsing through our catalog or our online version, don't forget to check out our gliders and rockers as well, as residents tend to really love them. We also even have a locking mechanism that can make your glider stationary. One thing at senior living communities you can never have enough of is benches. That's why we offer a variety of back styles and lengths, anywhere from 48 to 72 inches. We even have some really neat benches with drop-in tables. The next part I want to bring up is a memory bench or a memorial bench. That is something By the Yard does a lot of. That way you can make your own personalized memorial bench that can sit in front of your community, and all the residents can honor that person for decades to come. At By the Yard, we understand the importance of sunshine and being outside. That's why we created a whole planter line for your residents to enjoy. This right here you're seeing is a 60-inch version with a deeper box, 12 inches deep. This gives you the ability to have deep-rooted plants or maybe even do fresh tomatoes. And just like all of our planters, you can leave the dirt in year-round and not have to bring it inside, guaranteed to never rot. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video and learn a little bit about By the Yard. If you'd like to request more information, we'd be more than happy to get that to you. Whether it's a catalog, color samples, or even a quote. I'd also like to share our commercial program where it gives you the ability for deeper discounts. I can't wait to learn how we can help your community. Thank you.